Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here for my second official Mask Monday. So I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do this week because I don't have any new subscription boxes to open up with you guys. So I thought what I would do while we are letting my face mask do its magic is look through a few of the fun finds that I have found for the week. So let me show you what mask I'm going to be using this week. This is the Biomiracle Hyaluronic Acid Bubble Face Mask Treatment. I won this mask in a giveaway from Stephanie over at Opinionated Horsewoman. I will link her channel down below, guys. If you haven't seen her yet, make sure you stop by and check her out. It is a really fun channel. So this is the bubble mask, which means you put it on, you leave it on for 20 minutes, and it bubbles up. I do have a paper towel here because the last time I used one of these masks, the bubbles were like pouring over my mouth. Stephanie did one of these on her channel and she got bubbles up her nose. So they can be pretty intense. So let's go ahead and get this open. Whew, it's got a lot of goopy goops on it. Squeeze it out a little bit here. This is what we look like. I'm trying to get it on before the bubbles start, but it's almost like a gel. Gosh, woo! It is a slimy mask. Hopefully this will stay on too while I'm showing you guys my stuff. Before the bubbles start, let's get this on. Oh, it smells very citrusy. Oh, and it feels good too. Nice and cool. How do I look? Does it match my skin tone? It's going in my ear. What in the world? Why does it have such a long piece over here? Y'all. Oh, I know. It's my first time putting on a face mask with you guys. You guys imagine why? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm making a mess. Oh, I'm making a mess, making a mess. What in the world? Don't judge. What in the heck? Y'all ever see somebody struggle as much as Chaos Jen does? Look, it like goes in my ears. Well, at least we're sure it's going to cover the face. Yes, I know my nose part needs to come down. I want to get the chin on first, though. Just trying to figure out what the heck is going on with it. It's such a thick jelly mask, I can't tell where the stuff is. Okay. Alright, it's all stretched out now. I really want it to come cover my nose, but it's ripping. There it is. Look at the bubbles on my chin, you guys. Not funny. It's all stretched and thin. Oh my gosh. Alright, so anyways, guys. Dang. We're gonna leave it like this. This is terrible. I did not do a good job putting this mask on. We're just... Whatever. See, it's starting to bubble up already. So I'm just gonna... You'll see me throughout the video kind of rubbing the bubbles down. We'll just do that. So let's go ahead and get into our haul. Let me show you what I found at Dollar Tree. Needed some Halloween decorations. I got all kinds of fall decorations. I was ready for some Halloween. We found this really cute felt witch's hat. I'll be hanging this on the wall, probably in my breezeway. I found this rope. It is kind of a shiny metallic looking green and then a shiny metallic purple. What I'm planning to do with these is put them in these glass vases, and then I'm planning to put these little Halloween lights. These are battery operated, so I'm going to put the cord as well as a thing of lights inside the jar, and then I got these little witches hats that I'm going to stick in them. So I thought that'd be a really cute little lighted decoration for Halloween. I got 4 boxes of the lights. And then I've got these little witches brooms. You can see they're kind of, I'm sorry about the glare, guys. They got little purple bows on them. And then they've got the bristles down here. I just thought these were really cute. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do these. I might put them in the vases with the lights and the cord. And then maybe put like the witch's hat in front of them. But we'll see. I've never seen these before, guys. This is the first time I've been to this Dollar Tree in a very long time. And they had tons of stuff I have not seen before. So we've got some happy Halloween window clings. Ava loves putting this stuff on our big old front window. And then this is another window cling that says keep out. And then it's got some really creepy fingerprint or handprints there. You guys see that? Got another set of these plastic drawers, guys. Let me pull this off of my face. Look, my mask is like sliding down again. Oh well. Okay, so I love these drawers. This is my 3rd set. I don't remember what I got this for, to be honest with you, but I have one in the bathroom that I put my barrettes and my hair ties in, and then I've got one in my bedroom on top of my jewelry box that I put my bigger earrings in. So these come in handy. Ava got one too, and she's got her like, well, she wants me to show you. Can I show them? Yeah, she's going to show you. Hold on. She'll show you while I fix my mask that's falling off my face again.
I got this. It's already organized with everything.
What'd you put in it?
We have...
Talk loud.
I'm kind of full over here.
I have a lot of stuff.
I got this tie. First row has hand sanitizer and chapstick in it. I have a lot of chapstick.
She's got a lot of chapstick.
This one just has hair ties, gum, and lotion.
And she's going to keep that in her locker.
For my friends.
Oh, they come in handy, and they're just, guys, they're cute. So, storage-wise, I picked up another laundry basket. I'm going to be putting all of my slides and slip-on shoes in there because clearly my collection's growing. I got a couple of these containers. They're just plastic boxes to organize some stuff. I'm thinking I'm going to be putting all my face mask in these because my collection just kind of exploded. And they no longer fit in the box I had them in. So, we're upgrading. This is the other one that I got. I just thought this was really cute. Not quite sure what I'm going to use it for, but guys, look at these nice fall colors. Isn't that cute? And then they had some navy blue stuff too, but I didn't feel like grabbing the navy blue. I like those colors. Got some more of the Lip Duo lip gloss. This is the set called Charmed. And what this is it's one bottle and it's got lipstick on the top and then gloss on the bottom, and you wear the gloss over the lipstick. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to go ahead and open it because I can. Oh, it looks like it's got lipstick. Oh no, did it leak? Aw. I don't think it leaked. It's just somehow got lipstick all over the... Weird. Anyways, that's the color. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you. These lipsticks are really creamy. I'm always impressed with them. In fact, I was just wearing one today as kind of a pinkish color. So that's what the lipstick looks like. And then on the bottom, it's got the lip gloss. A little doe foot applicator. We'll see if I can swatch this. I don't know how dark it's going to be. Oh my. So... that's the lip gloss there, the darker one on top. I'm going to try putting it over the top of the lipstick, see if we can get the full look. Kind of adds a little bit of sparkle to it. There we go. And that is the lipstick lip gloss combo. Sorry if you guys can hear Ace in the background. I've got so much junk here right now that I had to put him in the office. And he knows that I am opening boxes. And he likes to be around me when I do that, just in case it's his bark box with his toys in it. Next, I've got these little hair ties. I don't really use these for my hair. What I like to use these for, guys, is actually to hold electronics cords. So like for my blenders and stuff, I'll fold up the cords and then put one of these over it, and it just keeps the cords in place and from getting all over. So needed some of these. Ava will use these in her hair every once in a while because she's got shorter hair, but yeah. Then I finally got some maroon dark red colored nail polish. This kind of matches my lip gloss. Look at that. Hey, I bought a look. But funny story about this, I've been looking for maroon colored toenail or nail polish for my toes for a couple weeks now, and I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought something that I thought was going to be maroon, but it ended up being a bright red. Don't ask, I don't know how. I mean, in the bottle it looked like it was going to be maroon. Hold on. Let me put my chin back on. Okay. It looked like it was going to be maroon, but it was bright red. So I went to Walmart today to get a maroon colored toenail polish. Well, I picked one out that I thought looked like the perfect shade of maroon. Got it on and put it on my toes. And I'm like, this is bright red. This looks very familiar. Guys, I went to 2 different stores and bought the same stupid color of nail polish. The same color and didn't even realize it. And both times I thought it would be maroon and it was just bright red. So I don't even know how one manages to do that, but Chaos Jen did. Hashtag winning. So yeah, there's that. Worst things, right? And then I got a whoopee cushion because I need it. It was necessary. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but I know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm not going to say because there's other people in this room. Just be prepared. Okay, so we've got about 5 more minutes on this mask. Let me finish up that time and I will be back when it's done. Okay guys, we left that on for 20 minutes. By the time it was done, it was really starting to fall apart. So I don't know if that was operator error. I'm guessing that's probably what it was, or if it was just a defect with the mask. I don't know. But either way, I did rub it in like it said to do, and then I washed off my face. And guys, my skin, it was a little tacky at first, but now it feels nice and moisturized, and I feel like it looks really clean. So I'm definitely going to be trying that mask again to see if maybe it was just a fluke with that one. But overall, not unhappy with it. I am planning on putting on my vitamin C serum, and I have another hyaluronic acid serum that I'm going to do, as well as my detox moisturizer like I do every morning and every evening. And that's going to complete my skincare for today, or for this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. I hope you smiled at least once. That's always my goal with every video. Again, if you guys wouldn't mind, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave me comments or questions down below, and if you know anybody else that might enjoy this kind of chaos, please feel free to share my videos. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.